Good day, Divergence traders. How you doing today? Hope you're all good. Did a nice little move, the NASDAQ, but there was no divergence here to signal it, to sell it. Nope. There was a trade here. It was a divergence trade to sell it, and down it went. But there was no like high, retracement, higher high, sell, and down we go. No. They're just below the recent swing high. Or I mean, they took it down. Yeah, they took it down below the recent swing high. And if there was people buying in here and stops were in here, they came and got the stops. And then they took it up here. For all the people who were selling in here, their stops were up here. They came and they got those. That's the way I see it. I don't know. Then they took it down. And now that everybody's thinking, sell, 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 they'll probably take it back up here now. You know what I mean? They'll probably take it back up here. That's what they do. That's their job. To take you out your stop. Yeah. Okay, that's a 5-minute NQ. Let's look at the 2 minutes, see what it said or did. Well, I have a sore throat here. I'm chewing my cough drop. We could say, hey, double top, right? Yeah. Ooh, that's strong cough drop. And we have this. So that would be a sell right there. Okay. And how much did it go down? It went down 382 ticks. I just happened to be in on this short from up here, but I did a buy here just going with the flow of the market, right? I did a buy in here, and I got out with a small loss. So it must have been farther up here I got in, and got out with a little loss, and then I shorted it right away. I said, oh, it's coming down hard and heavy and fast in this candle right here. So I jumped in. And sure enough, made up the loss, made a profit. Got out right here. Okay. That's the 5-minute. No, that was supposed to be the 2-minute, no? Ah, Jason. I'm supposed to be looking at the 2-minute. Oh, I got to get this right. And sheep shit. There it is right here. Double top. See? You can see it. There we go. And this right here. From here to here. That's it. Yeah, we're probably going to gravitate right back up here. And it went down. Yeah. Right from the sell-off. How much did we go down? 510 ticks, man. 500 ticks. Ladies and gentlemen, that was the NASDAQ I was trading today. Okay, let's look at the ES. Oh, we had a trade on the ES. This is the 5-minute. We had a... Yeah, we just have to look... You just have to look at it a little bit differently. So, like this to this, okay? And this to this. It was hard to see hidden divergence, okay? And down like this. So you would have got short right in here. Okay. Just like that. And how much did we go down on the S and the P? 37 ticks. Yeah, they're going to take it back, right back up here. And maybe even shoot to new highs on the day. They love to do that. They get everybody going this way, and then they take it back up where it started. And then before you know it, it's gone through the highs where it started, and they just screwed everybody left, right, and center. According to Mr. ICT guy, he says markets aren't random. He says it's an algorithm. It's controlled. It's manipulated. It's meant to screw you. So I guess if that's the truth, it's not random, and it's not, there's no such thing as, oh, he also says no volume. And I agree with that, because I can see in the charts that what it does, I just know it's not volume, and it's just pushed here and pushed there and chop up and down, whatever. Shit, I can't stop talking. Hold on. Coughing. Got a fan on me because I have breathing problems. So I keep some air coming out my face so I can breathe. And I guess it's too cold for that today. It's just looked here. It says it's 18 degrees here. That's pretty cool. Okay. So there was your opportunity right there. There was a couple, higher close, down it goes. Higher close, down it goes. Higher close, down it goes. So you had 3 of those to try if you wanted to. There was also some on the NASDAQ. I want to show that to you now right here. Higher close, down it goes. Higher close, down it goes. See, those trades work beautiful if you know when to do them. All right. So we covered, all that. We covered the 5, the 2. We covered the 5, but not the 2. Is this the 2? Yeah, here's the 2. Jolly goo. Okay. It too had a double top, like basically like this. It's double top, if you ask me. And it really stuck out on the OSMA. And I told you, sell right here. Every day this divergence works magically. So if you got short here, right here, well, the opportunity was for 46 ticks. There we go. 46 tick potential down to here before she turned around. And then over here, you have a low or retracement and lower low right here. Here's the trade entry right here. And look, they came and got your fucking stop again, the bastards. Bastards! Bastards. Or the algorithm's a bastard. Or the guy pushing the button on the algorithm is the bastard. Getting paid a lot of money from whoever's telling them to control the price. Right? Right. So you would have got in here. Your stop would be right here. And they came in, they got your stop. Yep. And if you got in again, right in here, well, so far it's went up 20 ticks. There it is. Let's look at the pound now, 6B. Oh, God, look at it, 5 minutes. Look at this, look at this, look at this. Dancing between S1 and S2. Look at that shit. I'm not even going to try and look for divergence on that. See, you look at it does this a lot of the time, and you go, okay, well, I always used to look at it on the 15-minute when I used to trade the pound dollar on Forex. Like we're talking, fuck, over 12 years ago. Yeah, look at this shit. Look at this. Look at this. This is the 15-minute now, ladies and gentlemen, and there's no sell. There's no divergence here either. Well, hold on. Yeah, there is, I guess. If you really want to look for it, it's right here. See, right to the little blue doodah? It lines up, trust me. This blue doodah is signifying this high right here. It always goes to the high. It'll paint the blue doodah. Let me show you. See? Right there. Lines up. See? See, once you spot a thing like this, you know, you go, oh, okay. We put in a high, retracement, higher high. Yeah, okay. Yeah, it's divergent. Yeah, okay. And the high lines up with the blue doodah. It's like, oh yeah, this is a no-brainer. And you just sell in here, and down it fucking goes. That's it. So if you sold in here somewhere, even right here, let's say, right? Oh, not bad. 42 points. It went down. That was the UK session. UK session trade. Now, if you probably, trade like ICT and you put on your fair value gap and whatever, well, it retraced back up and you'd sell into here, I'm thinking. Yeah, that's how he does his entries. Me, I do it by moving average crossing down, price closing down near the low of the candle, if you're looking for a sell, and the price closing up above the candle in a buy. Okay, let's look at the euro. Yeah, I did some slop chop too. Not good. Put it on the 15 minutes, see what it says. Oh. Yeah, they had a 50 point spike here last night for some reason in the Asia session. I don't have no clue what it was. Some news or something. Or they're just cleaning people out or clearing people out. Who knows? They're always doing something to screw people. That's what's going on here. That's why you got to believe this ICT guy when he says it's an algorithm controlled by the government. Oh, I'm not supposed to say that. Well, they haven't kicked me off yet. But it's something like that. Something's going on here. It's like you gotta think and trade like them, or you're not going to survive. And that's it. There's divergence down here. I'll draw it in. There was none up here. Low and lower low right there. So you would have got in here and it didn't go very far yet. And that's all I have to say about that. So we got in right there. It's went up a total of 27 points. Let's look at oil now. Oh yeah, just a rally up. I took some on oil too. 5 minutes. Okay. Yeah, there's a trade. Can you see it? Let me show you. There it is. Right on the opening today of the U.S. session at 8 o'clock. Buy it, and up it goes. So if you bought it here, here's the high right here, the high of this box. 122. There you have it. See? 122 ticks. Or points, or whatever you want to call it. And we have divergence here too, right here, but it looks like it's failing. And it's failing because it's been in a major uptrend all day. So you don't take the sells when you have a major uptrend all day. You only do counter trend trades when the market is like zigzagging like this, you know? That's when you do those. Okay, so I'll draw it in for you though anyway. It's right here, high and higher high. And right there. See? That's it. Your entry would have been in here, and right now it's on its way to hit your stop, which is back up here. And that's it. Oh, let's take a quick look at the hourly on what happened with here since we last looked at it. It's like it was over here somewhere. We looked at it. See this shit? There's stops up here, above here. They came and got them. There's stops down in here. Because everybody that was buying in here thought, okay, we're going to go right back up here now. And before they took it up higher, they took it down here. Why'd they take it down here then up here? Because there was stops in here. There was people's stop orders in here. And then they came down and got them, and then they took it up. That's what they do. They're bastards. Yeah, see, it's going right back up now. This is the S&P 500. So, anyway, once again, this is Jason Sweezy, and I'd just like to say that I like to trade divergence for one very simple reason. It works for me. Does it work for you? If it doesn't work for you, then, you know, you got to find something that does, because that's what makes traders good traders. But I've pretty much traded anything and everything from a long time ago. You know, like trading these charts, I started in 2005. Before that, I would call my orders into my broker. But, you know, so 18 years, I've been staring at these charts. And, yeah, you got to find what works for you. Just remember that. So anyway, thanks for watching and listening. And if you could be so kind to hit the like button and subscribe, I'd greatly appreciate it. It's free to like and it's free to subscribe. Good luck and good trading.